You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
You don't have to go through this alone. You deserve a proven, supportive plan that protects you every step of the way. The SDC Proven Plan. Here is how we turn a complicated move into a smooth, exciting experience. Schedule a free quote call. We evaluate your needs, location, and timeline. Get a transparent, itemized estimate. No hidden fees, no vague languages. Packing, shipping, and custom clearance. Our team handles everything using only certified packing materials. Real-time tracking. We monitor your shipping so you're never in the dark. Door-to-door delivery. Your belongings arrive safely at your new home. The wrong move can cost you thousands, weeks of stress, and even treasured belongings lost or broken. The right mover, SDC International Shipping, means peace of mind guaranteed. Don't risk your move. Partner with international moving experts who are trusted worldwide. Request your free quote today at our website or give us a call at 877-339-0267. And let's start planning your smooth journey home.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.